Welcome to Simple Paper Aircraft. Today I will show you how to make the secret bomb. Okay, to make the secret bomber, you need a printing paper. You can use US letter size or you can use A4 paper. Currently, I'm using US letter size. Okay. The first step, fold the paper in half this way. Okay. Then open the paper. I will start from the intersection of the center crease and this edge, and I will fold it diagonally to this corner. Okay, and I repeat the same step for the other side. So when I fold the other part, I will use this edge as a reference, and if this edge intersect with this edge and the center crease, you fold it correctly. Okay. Okay. Next step, we fold the paper in half like this. Okay, then open the paper. Start from this edge. I will fold it to the center crease. Okay, and then repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, so next step, I will estimate about half an inch from this corner along this edge. Okay, and then I use a pen to make the point here. Okay, then put the paper down. I will fold this layer out to create the wing. Okay, when I fold out, I will use the intersection of the edge here and the center crease as a reference. Okay, so we have a wing like this, and then I can fold the paper in half like this. Okay, and then I can fold this layer out, use the wing here as a reference. Okay, match it. Okay, and then I will fold the tip down. You can see the intersection of this edge and this edge, and use this as a reference, and then fold this part down. Okay, use the center crease as a reference as well. Just fold straight down. Okay. Next step, you estimate about half an inch from this edge along the center crease. Okay, and then I will fold the tip up. Here we go. So that's what we have so far. Next, I will fold this part down. See this corner, I'll fold down, and then you repeat the same step for the other side. You can use this one as a reference. Okay. And then fold paper in half. Okay, then you use this edge and this as a reference for this one down to create a wing. Okay. Then you repeat the same step for the other side. Make sure that you fold this one down. Okay. Then you can create a stabilizer by folding this part up. Then you repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. At the end of the wing, fold this part up like this to create a elevator that will have the airplane fly up. You repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. So make sure that you fold this part down, this triangle down. Okay. It's really important you fold this one down and hold it hard. Okay. Okay. So the secret bomber is finished. Now you can check it out. If you think the airplane is awesome, please like and subscribe. And if you don't think so, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.